How to offer a discount on Airbnb. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To offer a discount on Airbnb, you can use several methods depending on the type of discount you want to provide. For example, for a specific guest, for a limited time offer, or a general promotion. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Airbnb.com. Now, log in to your Airbnb account and now go to Messages and find the conversation with the guest. Tap on the Send Special Offer option. Further, enter the updated price with the discount and then tap on the Send Offer option. The guest will need to accept the offer to confirm the booking. Next, if you want to discount certain dates for all potential guests, then go to your host's dashboard and open your listings. Select the Calendar tab and then choose the dates you want to discount. Further, set a custom nightly price for those dates. So, this is how you can offer a discount on Airbnb. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.